Lexicography. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Jump to navigation, jump to search. For the term in mathematics, see lexicographical order. Not to be confused with lexicology. Dictionary structure redirects here. For the dictionary data structure, see associative array. This article includes a list of general references, but it remains largely unverified because it lacks sufficient corresponding inline citations. Please help to improve this article by introducing more precise citations. September 2017, learn how and when to remove this template message. Part of a series on linguistics. Outline history index. General linguistics. Applied linguistics. Theoretical frameworks. Topics. Portal. Lexicography is the study of lexicons, and is divided into two separate but equally important academic disciplines. Practical lexicography is the art or craft of compiling, writing and editing dictionaries. Theoretical lexicography is the scholarly study of semantic, orthographic, syntagmatic and paradigmatic features of lexemes of the lexicon, vocabulary, of a language, developing theories of dictionary components and structures linking the data in dictionaries, the needs for information by users in specific types of situations, and how users may best access the data incorporated in printed and electronic dictionaries. This is sometimes referred to as metalexicography. There is some disagreement on the definition of lexicology, as distinct from lexicography. Some use lexicology as a synonym for theoretical lexicography, others use it to mean a branch of linguistics pertaining to the inventory of words in a particular language. A person devoted to lexicography is called a lexicographer. 1. Contents. 1. Focus. 2. Etymology. 3. Aspects. 4. See also. 5. References. 6. Further reading. 7. External links. 7.1 Societies. Focus. General lexicography focuses on the design, compilation, use and evaluation of general dictionaries, that is dictionaries that provide a description of the language in general use. Such a dictionary is usually called a general dictionary or LGP dictionary, language for general purpose. Specialized lexicography focuses on the design, compilation, use and evaluation of specialized dictionaries, that is dictionaries that are devoted to a relatively restricted set of linguistic and factual elements of one or more specialist subject fields, for example legal lexicography. Such a dictionary is usually called a specialized dictionary or language for specific purposes dictionary, and following Nielsen 1994, specialized dictionaries are either multi-field, single-field or sub-field dictionaries. It is now widely accepted that lexicography is a scholarly discipline in its own right and not a sub-branch of applied linguistics, as the chief object of study in lexicography is the dictionary. See for example Bergholz/Nielsen/TARP 2009. Lexicography is the practice of creating books, computer programs, or databases that reflect lexicographical work and are intended for public use. These include dictionaries and thesauri, which are widely accessible resources that present various aspects of lexicology, such as spelling, pronunciation, and meaning. Lexicographers are tasked with defining simple words as well as figuring out how compound or complex words or words with many meanings can be clearly explained. They also make decisions regarding which words should be kept, added, or removed from a dictionary. They are responsible for arranging lexical material, usually alphabetically, to facilitate understanding and navigation. 2. Etymology. Coined in English 1680, the word lexicography derives from the Greek lambda epsilon xi iota kappa omicron gamma rho phi omicron sigma lexikographos, lexicographer. 3. From lambda epsilon xi iota kappa nu lexicon, nut, of lambda epsilon xi iota kappa sigma lexicos, of or for words, 4, from lambda xi iota sigma lexis, speech, word, 5, in turn from lambda gamma omega lego, to say, to speak, 6, and gamma rho phi omega grapho, to scratch, to inscribe, to write. 7. Aspects. Practical lexicographic work involves several activities, and the compilation of well-crafted dictionaries requires careful consideration of all or some of the following aspects. Profiling the intended users, that is linguistic and non-linguistic competences, and identifying their needs. Defining the communicative and cognitive functions of the dictionary. Selecting and organizing the components of the dictionary. Choosing the appropriate structures for presenting the data in the dictionary, that is frame structure, distribution structure, macrostructure, microstructure and cross-reference structure. Selecting words and affixes for systematization as entries. Selecting collocations, phrases and examples. Choosing lemma forms for each word or part of word to be lemmatized. Defining words. Organizing definitions. Specifying pronunciations of words. Labeling definitions and pronunciations for register and dialect, where appropriate. Selecting equivalents in bi- and multilingual dictionaries. Translating collocations, phrases and examples in bi- and multilingual dictionaries. Designing the best way in which users can access the data in printed and electronic dictionaries. One important goal of lexicography is to keep the lexicographic information costs incurred by dictionary users as low as possible. Nielsen, 2008, suggests relevant aspects for lexicographers to consider when making dictionaries, as they all affect the user's impression and actual use of specific dictionaries. Theoretical lexicography concerns the same aspects as lexicography, but aims to develop principles that can improve the quality of future dictionaries, for instance in terms of access to data and lexicographic information costs. Several perspectives or branches of such academic dictionary research have been distinguished: dictionary criticism, or evaluating the quality of one or more dictionaries, for example by means of reviews, see Nielsen 1999, dictionary history, or tracing the traditions of a type of dictionary or of lexicography in a particular country or language, dictionary typology, or classifying the various genres of reference works, such as dictionary versus encyclopedia, monolingual versus bilingual dictionary, general versus technical or pedagogical dictionary, dictionary structure, or formatting the various ways in which the information is presented in a dictionary, dictionary use, or observing the reference acts and skills of dictionary users, and dictionary IT, or applying computer aids to the process of dictionary compilation. One important consideration is the status of bilingual lexicography, or the compilation and use of the bilingual dictionary in all its aspects, see for example Nielsen 1894. In spite of a relatively long history of this type of dictionary, it is often said according to whom to be less developed in a number of respects than its unilingual counterpart, especially in cases where one of the languages involved is not a major language. Not all genres of reference works are available in interlingual versions, for example LSP, learners and encyclopedic types, although sometimes these challenges produce new subtypes. For example semi-bilingual or bilingualized dictionaries such as Hornby's, Oxford, Advanced Learner's Dictionary English-Chinese, which have been developed by translating existing monolingual dictionaries, see Merrill 1998. See also: linguistic description, dictionary, bilingual dictionary, monolingual learner's dictionary, specialized dictionary, picture dictionary, multi-field dictionary, single-field dictionary, sub-field dictionary, LSP dictionary. Glossary, defining dictionary, core glossary. List of lexicographers. Lexicology, Lexicon. Lexical definition. Vocabulary. Idioms lexicon. Specialized lexicography. English lexicology and lexicography. Terminology. Dictionary Society of North America. References. Lexicographer job profile, prospects.ac.uk. www.prospects.ac.uk. Retrieved October 29, 2018. Saussurean, T. 2020. English Lexicology and Lexicography, Theory and Practice, 2 ed. Almaty, Al-Farabi Kazakh National University. Pages 93 to 94. ISBN 978-6010405995-0. Lambda Epsilon Xi Iota Kappa Omicron Gamma Rho Phi Omicron Sigma. Henry George Liddell, Robert Scott, A Greek-English Lexicon, on Perseus Digital Library. Lambda Epsilon Xi Iota Kappa Sigma. Henry George Liddell, Robert Scott, A Greek-English Lexicon, on Perseus Digital Library. Lambda Xi Iota Sigma. Henry George Liddell, Robert Scott, A Greek-English Lexicon, on Perseus Digital Library. Lambda Gamma Omega. Henry George Liddell, Robert Scott, An Intermediate Greek-English Lexicon, on Perseus Digital Library. Gamma Rho Phi Omega. Henry George Liddell, Robert Scott, A Greek-English Lexicon, on Perseus Digital Library. Further reading. Atkins, BTS and Rundle, Michael, 2008, The Oxford Guide to Practical Lexicography, Oxford UPISBN 978-019-927-771-1. Bejoint, Inri, 2000, Modern Lexicography, An Introduction, Oxford UPISBN 978-019-829-951-6. Bernholtz, H., Nielsen, S., Tarp, S., eds. Lexicography at a Crossroads, Dictionaries and Encyclopedias Today, Lexicographical Tools Tomorrow. Peter Lang 2009. ISBN 978-303911799-4. Bernholtz, Henning, and Tarp, Sven, eds. 1995, Manual of Specialized Lexicography, The Preparation of Specialized Dictionaries, J. Benjamins. ISBN 978-9272-1612-0. Green, Jonathan, 1996, Chasing the Sun, Dictionary Makers and the Dictionaries They Made, J. Cape. ISBN 07126-6216-2. Hartman, R.R.K., 2001, Teaching and Researching Lexicography, Pearson Education. ISBN 978-0582-36977-1. Hartman, R.R.K., ed. 2003, Lexicography, Critical Concepts, Routledge, Taylor and Francis, 3 volumes. ISBN 978-0-415-25365-9. Hartman, R.R.K. and James, Gregory, Comps, 1998-2001, Dictionary of Lexicography, Routledge. ISBN 978-0-415-14144-4. Ingalls, Douglas, 2004, Cognitive Grammar and Lexicography. Piapp University Graduate School Linguistics Department. Kirkness, Alan, 2004, Lexicography, in the Handbook of Applied Linguistics ed. By A. Davis and C. Elder, Oxford, Blackwell, pages 54 to 81. ISBN 978-14051-3809-3. Landau, Sydney, 2001, Dictionaries, The Art and Craft of Lexicography, Cambridge UP 2nd ed. ISBN 0521-78512-X. Merillo, Carlo, 1998, Hornby's Bilingualized Dictionaries, in International Journal of Lexicography 11,4, pages 292 to 314. Nielsen, Sandro, 1994, The Bilingual LSP Dictionary, Gene R. ISBN 978-38233 4533 6. Nielsen, Sandro, 2008, The Effect of Lexicographical Information Costs on Dictionary Making and Use, in Lexicos, Afrolexweeks/Series 18, pages 170 to 189. Nielsen, Sandro, 2009, Reviewing Printed and Electronic Dictionaries, A Theoretical and Practical Framework. In S. Nielsen, S. Harp, eds. Lexicography in the 21st Century. In honor of Henning Bergenholtz. Amsterdam/Philadelphia, John Benjamins, 23 to 41. ISBN 978-9272-2336-4. Owa, Vincent, 1998, Computer Corpus Lexicography, Edinburgh UP, 1, ISBN 07486-0815-X. Zgusta, Ladislav, 1971, Manual of Lexicography, Janua Linguarum. Series Major 39. Prague, Academia, The Hague, Paris, Mouton. ISBN 978-9279-1921-2. External links. Look up Lexicography and Wiktionary, the Free Dictionary. International Journal of Lexicography. Lexicographica. International Annual for Lexicography, Revue Internationale de Lexicographie, Internationales Jahrbuch für Lexicography. Societies. Center for Lexicography and Version. Dictionary Society of North America. Euralex, European Association for Lexicography. Afrilex, African Association for Lexicography. Australex, Australasian Association for Lexicography. Nordic Federation for Lexicography. AsiaLex, Asian Association for Lexicography. Lexicography. Authority Control Editors at Wikidata. Categories: Lexicography, Lexicology, Applied Linguistics, Linguistics, Terminology,